In this video, I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow if you want to earn $10,000 by the end of the year. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to follow if you want to earn $10,000 by the end of the year. By the time recording this video, it's actually December the 6th. So you have 25 days in order to achieve this goal. This strategy is one that I'm applying, and there are other people who are applying it and getting really good results with it. So in order to achieve this goal, and this is not something that is going to be working just by the end of the year, it can be working on any month, okay, that you're watching this video, but you need to apply it. If you don't apply it, you are not going to get any results. Okay, so first of all, you need to find a product to promote. Okay, you need to find a product to promote. You can go to a website like clickbank.com. You can create an account. It's 100% free. It's ClickBank doesn't work in your country for whatever reason. There are other websites like Digistore, and others. So we need to find a product or any given niche. As you can see, we have products here like business, computers, cooking, fiction, games, health and fitness, languages, The top three niches on the internet are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, that doesn't mean that you cannot be selling other products, but these are the top three, and you need to niche down. What I mean by niche down, let's say that you're gonna go with the health industry. Okay, you're gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna be promoting a product that is gonna be helping people lose weight, but that's not enough. Okay, my focus is gonna be woman who wants to lose weight. Okay, that's good enough, but there is a better way. Let's say that I'm gonna be focusing on women who want to lose weight, but they have, children. They give birth or they are about to give birth, and they're worried like, okay, what is a healthy way that in which I can lose weight? I don't have much time because I have my kids, or I'm about to be a mom. So as you can see, I narrow it. So I'm really specific, and the product that is going to be promoting is going to be really specific as well. Okay, so my suggestion, because there are several ways in which you guys can make money online. There are different prices on the internet. Okay, you can go with what we call low ticket products. Okay, low ticket products are products that the maximum amount that people are gonna pay you, or people are gonna pay for the product, it's $50. So if you're earning 50% of the commission, it's gonna be $25. So if you want to earn $10,000 divided with, you're gonna get paid $25, you're gonna be selling. You need to sell 400 times this product. So let's say that it's going to be on a 30-day period. So that means that you need to be, selling 13 times per day this product if you want to achieve, $10,000. Okay, there is another way that I really like. So my suggestion is focus on something that is called high ticket marketing. Okay, or high ticket affiliate commissions or high ticket products. Okay, there are several ways. So that means that people are paying at least $1,000, and to be honest, that even considering mid ticket, let's say $2,500, $5,000, $10,000. So if you have a product that people are willing to pay $10,000 because it can help them, that means that you just need to sell one piece. But let's say that you want to achieve $10,000, right? That's your goal. And you have a product that it's actually paying you a commission, and that commission, it's going to be, $1,000. So that means that you just need to sell 10 of those. Okay, I think you already noticed the difference, right? With the $25 product, right? With the $25 product, you need to sell 400 times this product. And with $1,000 commissions, right? Remember that you just need to sell 10 times this product. Chances are that you might have the misconception, and this is something that I have it too, that, oh, but it's actually easier to sell, a $50 product, a $25 product, a $10 product. To be honest, it's actually the same. Okay, it's sometimes it's just about our mindset. Our mindset is like, yeah, maybe for whatever reason I am not, able to pay this amount of money, or I need to overthink about this. I need to talk with my husband, with my wife. But there are other peoples out there, you know, who are like, okay, I already tried these ebooks, getting back to my previous example about the woman who wants to lose weight, but they have kids, they don't have time. Okay, maybe they're an executive, right? And they're like, okay, I'm so busy right now being a full-time mom, having my job, developing my career. I don't want to be reading an ebook, you know I don't want to go to a gym. I don't have time, but maybe there is an online program, which there are, in which I have a coach, a personalized, like, that it's going to personalize the routine for my needs, because I don't have too much time. So maybe I'm going to be having pre-recorded videos. I can have online appointment with a nutritionist. I can have accountability partners, with a group, a community. They're gonna deliver me these supplements. I'm just making up these offers, but as you're gonna see, they know the value, so they're willing to pay $2,500 because that's a problem that they want to solve, and the solution, give them enough value rather than an ebook. Okay, so they're willing to pay it. So this is the type of product that I suggest you to go with. Okay, once you find the perfect program, okay, the perfect, product for you guys, there is something that you need to build. It's actually what we call a funnel. Yeah, it's not a website, it's actually a funnel, because not everybody is going to be paying the high ticket commissions. The same with the low ticket products. Okay, so we are going to be sending traffic, and I'm going to give you more detail of how you're going to find these people who are willing to invest on the product sales or on the product that you decide to promote. Okay, so since no one is really, available with the card like right away, I'm going to send it in front of my computer, and whatever shows up, I am going to buy it. Boom, I'm here, I'm ready. Okay, so sometimes they're, listening to your message. Sometimes, again, with the moms, hey, they saw an ad, or she watched a video, or she listening to a podcast, but hey, my kid is here, my baby is crying, I need to go and take care of him or her, right? So I forget about it on my cell phone, but if I'm getting, emails, remind me that, hey, you have this problem, you want to solve it, these are the benefits, right? She's gonna remember it, and she's gonna purchase. Okay, so most people are sending, their leads. Okay, the people who are actually really interested in what you have to offer, they're sending it right away, straight, to the sales page, and that's not the right way to do it. So you're gonna create a funnel with what we call an opt-in page. Okay, so you're gonna put a catchy headline, calling them like, hey, are you a woman? Are you interested in losing weight? Okay, maybe at the time you have kids, blah blah blah, right? Put here your first name, your email address, and I'm gonna share with you a program that helps me with my situation. I was on the same spot that you are right now. Okay, click here if you want to know more information. Okay, and then we're gonna have something that we call a bridge page. Okay, it can be a text, like a really long text explaining what's the benefit of the product that you're promoting. But in my experience, it works better if you have a video. Okay, what information that you need to put on that video? Okay, you need to put the benefits, the feature, let them know about the transformation if you use the product. And I actually prefer to promote products as that I already tried, right? If you don't have results right now, because that's the other thing, you're in the middle of the transformation, or you make a research and you know that that's a good product, you can use other people's result, and let them know like, hey, they use this product, like this, and then you send them to the offer. Remember, if they are not available right now, if they do not purchase right away, you're going to be sending them emails. Okay, this is the right way to do it. Again, my suggestion is go with a video on the bridge page. I know that there are other people here who are like, I don't know. Yeah, there are other ways in which you can do it. But remember that we want to achieve this goal really, really fast. So now we need to get eyeballs, okay? Or what we call marketing traffic. Okay, I know there are several ways in which you can drive traffic. You can find people on Pinterest, on Facebook. You can put ads on Facebook. You can use your profile. You can go with Facebook groups. You can be, you can create a new Instagram account. You can be, reaching an influencer on Instagram. You can be posting a video here on YouTube. You can create an article on your blog. I know there are several ways in which you can do it, but the fastest right now is actually TikTok. Okay, the fastest right now is actually TikTok. You can create a personal brand, as I have, which is my name. I am, Diana Castillo. Actually, someone already using my name. So, and you can put here a link, okay, a link to a product. There are two types of accounts that you can create right now. The first one is the personal account, and the second one is the business account. If you create a business account, you don't need to have at least 1,000 followers in order to add a link. But there are some limitations. For example, you are not going to be able to use all this, all the sounds, all the music. And, that's actually normal, because remember that they need to pay for the copyrights. So if you're okay, and that's the way I actually started, I created a commercial account. I put my link, and after I reach 1,000 subscribers, I just switch it back to a personal account so I could use, all the sounds. Okay, this is the easiest way in which you guys can actually, reach an audience. By the time I'm recording this video, this is the easiest way. And you can repurpose this content if you want to reach a bigger audience. Okay, you can use YouTube Shorts, and you can use Instagram Reels. These three platforms right now are trying to have the most amount of engagement, and are trying, they're competing with themselves in order to have, the exposure. So we need to take advantage of this. So we are going to be using these really short videos. This is not something that you need to overthink. So this is actually really easy, really fun to do. So you can go again with TikTok. So these are the 3 steps that you guys need to follow. If you want to discover how to put everything in place, there is no technical knowledge required. I'm going to leave a link below. Okay, so that's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I see you guys on the next video.